logo, Chanel sunglass o mga madam. Baka meron kayong type dyan. Chanel sunglass. Okay, this is made in Italy, size 10, number 10. Ganito siya. Let's go. Oh. I bought my sunglasses that night. Yan, ganyan. May tag eh. Iyan siya. With C logo on the side. Baka meron interesado. Aka-ax. Hello. Aw, ach. Ah. Aka-ax. O ach. Ayan. Size, maliit lang siya. Small kasi yung face ko. So, meron siyang hard case. Meron siyang hard case and meron siyang duster. Yan. Meron siyang hard case. And the price of the item, the price of Chanel.